Hello everyone, want to edit your text in the Chatgpt app? I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. First, open the Chatgpt app on your phone and go to the chat where you want to edit a message. Now, scroll through the conversation and find the message you want to change. Once you have found it, long press on the message. A menu with several options will pop up. From the list, tap on Edit Message. This will allow you to make changes to the text. Now go ahead and edit the message however you like. Once you are happy with the changes, hit Send to save the update. And that's it. Your message has been updated instantly. Editing a message is great for fixing typos and rewording something. But remember that previous version of the message won't be saved. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.